Hello everyone, I am Chitra going to deliver a lecture on a very important topic, that is computer. As we know that we all are using computer in our day-to-day life to complete our work. So what is computer? How do you spell a computer? It is C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Let's discuss about full form of computer. C commonly, O oriented, M machine, P particularly, U used, T trade, E education, R research. Computer is commonly oriented machine particularly used for trade, education and research. कंप्यूटर एक मशीन है जिसका इस्तेमाल एडुकेशन विभाग में, जैसे कि आपका नाम, रोल नंबर, मोबाइल नंबर आपके स्कूल के कंप्यूटर मेमोरी में रिकॉर्ड किया गया है। ट्रेड, बिजनेस, पेरेंट्स आपके वर्किंग होंगे, वे अपना डेटा कहाँ स्टोर करते हैं? कंप्यूटर में स्टोर करते हैं। रिसर्च, साइंटिस्ट जो कि खोज करते हैं वो भी इस कंप्यूटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। सो इट इज़ कॉमनली ओरिएंटेड मशीन particularly used for trade, education and research. Let's discuss about next topic. Who invented computer? Computer was invented by Charles Babbage in 1822. He is also known as father of computer. Now you should know the actual definition of computer. Computer is a smart machine that takes data from the user and converts this data into meaningful result. कंप्यूटर एक स्मार्ट मशीन है जो डेटा एक्सेप्ट करता है, डेटा को प्रोसेस करता है और उसे मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट में कन्वर्ट करता है। लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. There are various machines that you can see inside your home and you can see outside your home. But only computer is known as a smart machine. Why does only computer is known as a smart machine? It is because most of the machines can perform only a single task. If I talk about car, it moves you from one place to another place. कार आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने में सहायक होते हैं. Fridge, it keeps your food item fresh. Washing machine, it washes your clothes, dirty clothes. Washing machine आपके गंदे कपड़ों को धोता है. Machines are single tasker, but computer is different from another machine. Computer can do more than one task at the same time. Using computer, you can save your information, you can paint, draw, you can watch movie, you can play games, you can book tickets, train tickets, and many other more. Let's discuss about next topic, parts of computer. CPU, UPS, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, these are the most important parts of computer. If I talk about CPU, it is central processing unit. It is also called brain of the computer. हमारे शरीर में भी दिमाग होता है और ये दिमाग हमारे सारे शरीर को कंट्रोल करता है. Likewise, computer has also a brain. It is CPU, and CPU controls all the parts of computer. Let's discuss about another part of computer. It is UPS. What does UPS stand for? Uninterrupted power supply. It is also better known as power backup. Suppose you are working on a computer and suddenly electricity has gone. मान लीजिए आप कंप्यूटर पर काम कर रहे हैं और अचानक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लॉस्ट हो जाती है. Then what will happen? You can lose your data. It can harm your computer. Sudden loss of electricity can damage your computer. In that situation, UPS supplies power backup to computer, so that you can easily save your data and orderly shut down your computer. If I talk about monitor, whatever you do on a computer, it will be visible on a monitor. If I talk about keyboard, by using keyboard you can type anything that you want. If I talk about mouse, it is a pointing device, also called selecting device. By using this mouse, you can select any object on the monitor. If I talk about a speaker, you can listen to music and sound from the computer. Let's discuss about next topic. How does computer work? Computer works in 3 steps, that is IPO cycle. I input, P process, O output. Let me tell you one example. Suppose your teacher have asked from you that what is your name? It is input. You saved this question in your mind, it is process. And what will be the answer? Your name, it is output. आपके टीचर ने आपसे आपका नाम पूछा, it means it acts as an input. आपके दिमाग ने उसे सेव किया, it is processing. फिर जो जवाब आपने टीचर को दिया, अपना नाम बताया, it is output. Basically, computer follows these 3 steps: input, process, output. It's over for today in my lecture. Now, what you learnt in my lecture? What is computer? Who invented computer? What are different parts of computer? And how does computer work? Hope this video is very informative for you. Thank you.